Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. If this is your first time, please make sure you hit the red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Ollie's already over here trying to get his treat. So today's video, we had a lady named Deborah sent us these Fresh Bellies for Ollie to taste test, and she sent them for his birthday, and I totally forgot about them, but thankfully they're freeze-dried fruits, so they stay good for a long time. So I'm gonna open some up and let Ollie have a little taste test and see which ones he likes best. There, I started that one for you. Good job. So the one he's got, this one is red peppers. And I looked at the ingredients in these, and it's literally just freeze-dried red peppers, freeze-dried mango, and the other one is apples. Oh, we dropped one. Here you go. Here's the mango. What'd you think? There's no sugar added in these, so it's a perfect little snack for him. Can you get one? Oh, yum. Yeah, you was looking for a tasty treat today, huh? You gotta kind of, there you go. These ones are the apples. Is it good? Can you get them? The mango one's pretty good, he says. Okay. So one in his hand is the apple. What do you think? That's just the paper, silly. Ollie says he wants to open the pepper one by himself. He won't let me open it. Yeah, too hard. Let's see. What'd you think? You going back for some more? Huh? Going back for a double dip of the apples. Here, I'm gonna open these ones for you. I finally managed to get the peppers open. There, you got one. You've made a mess, little man. He is so funny. Ollie, you crack me up. I don't know why it's so funny to see your little head poke in there. I don't know. Comment below if you think that's funny, because I think it's funny. And hopefully I'm not the only one who does. Alright guys, Ollie has had his tasty little snack. So we will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up.